Hi there, this is MK, Tutoring Coordinator at the College of the Siskiyous Academic Success Center, the ASC. I'm here today to give you a little bit of information about how to use Canvas. Now, the first thing you may want to do is you may want to check out the ASC Canvas shell, and that can be found here on the College of the Siskiyous homepage. If you go to Resources, in the drop-down menu, you'll see all these options, and the Academic Success Center, or the ASC, is the top option. So go ahead and click on that, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see, would you like access to learning resources? And you can visit our self-enrolled ASC Canvas shell. So if you click on this link here, it will take you to a place where you can enroll in that Canvas shell. If you are enrolled already, you'll simply want to access Canvas the way you do for all of your courses, which is this button here on the home page for COS. And it takes you into your Canvas dashboard. And mine looks pretty much the same as yours, although I'm not enrolled in any active classes this semester. I do have the ASC Canvas shell. This is exactly what it would look like in your Canvas dashboard. And if you click on this, it takes you into the ASC Canvas shell. And you see here on the home page, if you wanted to check any announcements that your instructor had posted, you would click here. Discussions are here. A lot of people think if they scroll down, they see assignments down here, and they assume that all of their assignments, everything that's due, is in that section right there. That's not wrong. However, all of the resources that you need to complete your assignments are actually in modules. So modules is really the place where you want to go when you log into your Canvas course. So if you click on modules for the ASC Canvas shell, you'll see that we have different things like Online Learning 101 resources, preparing for proctorio exams, the Academic Success Center blog, which is kind of fun to check out, and then other resources that are really great to check out. There are some videos that ASC members have produced, so you can check all of that out. But what you really want to look at is this section up here, Online Learning 101 Resources. This first option here is online readiness tutorials. These are really great to watch. They give you an overview of what it's like to be an online learner. It gives you strategies, talks a little bit about the differences between online learning and face-to-face learning. So those are good videos to check out, but the two that I would say, aren't really optional that you should check out are how to set your Canvas notifications. If you click on this, it will take you to a video that shows you how to select your notification preferences, which is really important because you don't want to miss an announcement that your instructor has made or feedback that they've given for an assignment. So if you watch this video right here on how to set your Canvas notifications, you'll be able to get that dialed in. The other thing you want to check out is how to find all your instructor's feedback. So in a Canvas course, there are 3 different ways an instructor can give you feedback on your assignments. Through general comments that usually are posted where you have turned your assignment in, the submission link. There's also a rubric that is generally posted so you know what the expectations are for the assignment, and instructors can give feedback there. And they can also write specific comments in a document that you've submitted. For instance, if you've uploaded a Word document or a Google Doc with your paper, Your instructor can actually annotate that document and write really specific personalized feedback. So you definitely want to know how to access that. So you'll check out this video here that will show you how to do all of that. And if we go back to home, we're here. I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you about. I hope that you enjoy your Canvas course. I wish you the best of luck. And if you have any questions or need to contact me, you can find me resources, Academic Success Center. Have a general question, MK Sikora, that's me, is available Monday through Thursday from 9 to 12 in her front desk Zoom room. So if you click on this link during these times here, it'll take you right to my open Zoom room and we can talk and I can answer your questions. All right, best of luck with everything. Thanks for watching.